but one man sneezed so hard his eye literally popped out of its socket. In a single instant, the violent pressure from that sneeze forced his eyeball forward, dangling by the optic nerve like a string. Here's the science. A sneeze can blast air at over 160 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most sports cars, and inside your head it creates massive pressure spikes. Usually harmless, but in rare cases it's enough to push the eye out. Now here's the insane part. Despite the horror, doctors carefully pushed the eye back in place. The optic nerve was intact, and the man walked away with his vision completely unharmed. The human body is tougher and stranger than you think. This is BrainSack TV. Subscribe for daily brain snacks.